On December 12th last year, this van arrived sight unseen. I didn't know it then, but I was about to transform a lot more than just a vehicle. I learned as I went, made mistakes, fixed most of them, and found pieces of myself along the way. No, Mojo. And after 5 months of working through the Midwest winter and spring, the van eventually was ready. Ready enough anyway. And more importantly, so was I. Either way, we hit the road. quiet mornings, Mojo, the rocks, the water, a little crazy fun, some mistakes, and the peace. They reminded me of why I said yes to this journey. 1 year in, and somehow I feel like I'm just getting started.